Here we go again, the Jamaican girl with another food challenge. This time we're heading to India and we are making butter chicken, girl. So after I made the naan, someone told me I had to try butter chicken next. Have I had butter chicken before? Do I know what butter chicken should taste like? No. And I just love how food does that. One video leads to another, one culture connects to the next. Even Cooking with Ash responded to the comment with her version, and I won't lie, I was a little bit nervous making this one because I know you all take your butter chicken seriously. No, I had to go out and find Kamala Masala, I saw it name. I had cumin. So those are all the things, the seasons that I use. And I have to put my Jamaican touch on it with some Jamaican seasoning, our seasoning to flavor it up. But yeah, we went in with our yogurt, lemon juice, the seasonings right there, and we leave it to marinate for a bit. Next, I cut up about 4 tomatoes, 1 onion, about 4 heads of garlic, and a piece of ginger. Now, heat up some oil and we're going to brown the chicken. Fry it up real nice. As Cooking with Ash said, brown it up nice like she. Hey, see me at talk Guyanese now. Yes, I know Cooking with Ash is Guyanese, and I know this dish is not Guyanese. It's an Indian dish. But hey, we all are exploring outside of our culture, and I love that for us. Girls, me even find ghee. Yes, somebody suggested that I start using ghee because it's more flavorful than the olive oil. And yes, I did it. So after everything combined nicely, next we're going to puree it into my blender. Listen, this was a labor of love. I was even making some naan on the side. Yes, I won't say naan bread this time because the last time in my naan video, I keep saying naan bread, naan bread. And thanks for all the correction. I did not know that naan meant bread. So I stand corrected. Let it simmer down and then I added the milk. The only thing I would do differently next time is let the sauce cook down a little bit more before adding the chicken. And look on the man. I think this was his second serving, guys. He came home, he's like, "You make butter chicken?" I was like, "How do you know it's butter chicken?" He said, "Mom, I know my foods." No, this one was so good. Guys, let me know in the comments what I did wrong, what I did right, what you would do different, and if you will be trying this as an island girl in your kitchen.